Hi guys, welcome back to MPW. This customer came in with a lifter tick, like a noise. So we've narrowed it down to obviously a lifter, which is very common on LS motors. So basically we're just going to pull it down, inspect it, see which lifters actually failed. So we'll have the heads off and yeah, we'll run you through it as it goes back together.
And when the lifters fail in these things, Zach, do they do damage to camshafts very often, or is it just an internal lifter failure?
A lot of the time they do damage to camshafts. So basically the lifter, the roller will end up the flat spot and then it wears the load on the cam, which obviously requires the whole front of the motor to be stripped down, pulled apart and replace camshaft.
And when we replace camshafts, we always, even if it's the same camshaft, it goes back on the dyno, doesn't it? So we can double check.
So after we've reassembled them, we always obviously run them up on the dyno, give them a sort of check over, and also road test them as well, make sure everything's good before it goes back to the customer. Now got the cylinder heads off, we've diagnosed which lifter it is. The lifter's actually like either burred or the pin's dropped out, so we can't remove it through the top, which means now we're going to have to go up and we'll remove the sump and try and move it through the cam tunnel.
Why can't we remove them through the top, Zach? What normally happens if a lifter's burred at the bottom or a pin's come through?
So if we do try and pull it through now, it's very likely it's going to damage the block. So if we remove through the cam tunnel with the sump off, we'll be able to pull it out without damage to the block and a new set of lifters and the car will be good to go.
Perfect, let's get it up and get a sump off of it.
Yep.
Hey guys, so as we ran through with Zach earlier on, the car coming for a tick, which is a very common problem with LS's. We thought we'll take you through the process of diagnosing the tick, trying to find out what it is. Now it can be a number of things normally. We found this to be a collapsed lifter, which at the time we didn't know whether it was an internal failure or whether it had actually seized a roller on the bottom of the lifter and worn it off. Since this, we've found that it's actually seized a roller. It's damaged 3 lifters, which damaged 3 cam lobes. What we've done is pulled the cylinder heads off, had to pull the lifters out through the cam tunnel as they were that badly burred that you couldn't pull them back through the lifter bores. So new sump gasket, new oil pump, new timing chain set, new lifters, lifter buckets, head gaskets, head bolts, camshaft, and everything's gone through and been retuned now. We've gone with a slightly more aggressive camshaft than what we had before. So we've just gone through and completely retuned the vehicle, making 337 rear wheel kilowatts. Non-CNC cylinder heads or anything on this car, so it's really, really good grunt. Look, we hope you've enjoyed the video. If there's anything else you want to see or anything else that you've got questions on the technical aspect, feel free to post them in the comments below and we'll try and get around to making a video on it. Thank you.